Can love languages change? And if so, why? Deep down, I'm not sure they really can change, because you grew up watching certain ways of loving and that was expressed to you. And I'm guessing that's pretty rooted inside of us. However, what could change is our awareness of what our real love language is. You might have thought it was one thing, but as time goes on, you really find yourself lighting up with one, and you go, oh my gosh, maybe that's my real primary love language, because I love that. So maybe that's what really happens, is you change in your awareness of what really is meaningful and significant for you. That is my guess. But if you're like most people I've talked to, you want it all too. You may have a primary love language, but you don't mind the other stuff either.